1 lap around a track is equal to 1/8 of a mile. A horse ran a distance of 12 laps in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. What was the horse's average speed in miles per minute? Okay, so we're trying to get to miles per minute. What do we know right away?
1 lap is 1/8 of a mile.
Okay, so we know that 1 lap is 1/8 of a mile. Okay, and we're trying to get to miles per minute. What do we know about our horse?
It runs 12 laps in 4 minutes and 30
We
seconds.
know he ran 12 laps. Okay, so can we take that we know he ran 12 laps, and can we turn that into how many miles he ran? Yes. Okay, so 12 laps will give us how many miles he ran. So how are we going to solve this? Cross multiply. 1 times x is
11.
x. 12 times 1/8. How are we going to do that?
Can we turn that fraction into
times 1.
Okay, 12 times 1 is 12, and then what about the bottom?
Bring it down.
Do we do 12 times 8?
It would be 12.
What's What's under that 12? What's the denominator?
1.
1. So we got to put our denominator, and 1 times 8 is
8.
8. Now, we're not finished, so leave this as an improper fraction for right now. Do not change it to a mixed number or anything like that until you're completely finished. But can it be simplified?
Yes.
To what?
We put 12 times 1.
Okay, what can we divide both of these by?
4.
4. So 12 divided by 4 is
3.
3
What's 3?
over 2. So 3 over 2 what?
That's how many
Miles. So we know our horse ran, that's 1.5 miles if we were to simplify it. So our horse ran 1.5 miles, and how many minutes did he run that?
4.
4 minutes and 30 seconds. So over here, this is what we're trying to figure out right here. Miles per minute. This is our horse. So we know our horse ran how many miles?
3.2.
3 over 2. And how many minutes did he do that in?
4 minutes 30 seconds.
Which would be, what is a fraction?
4.5.
4.5. And we want to know 1 minute, correct?
Yep.
So how does 4.5 become 1?
You have to
Division, divide it by itself, or cross multiply. Okay, so now here we are, dividing fractions again. So we've got to come off to the side somewhere. 3 over 2 divided by, before you can divide fractions, what do you have to make them?
improper.
Improper. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So there's our problem. Now what do we have to do?
Divide.
Multiply by the reciprocal. So 3 over 2 times 2 over 9. Now we can multiply straight across, or we could simplify before we multiply. So
Why? If you just multiply and divide.
we just want to multiply? Okay. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 9 is
18.
18.
That's just 1/3.
Which is just 1/3. So 1/3 of a mile in 1 minute.
Well, that's nice. That's the easy way to